How to turn on or off silent mode on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. So, in order to enable or disable silent mode on your iPhone, find the small switch on the left side of your iPhone above the volume buttons. You can push down the orange showing button, which means your silent mode is enabled. While in silent mode, calls and alerts are silenced and vibration is enabled, then you will be able to hear the vibration. And if you want to disable silent mode, push up with the no orange showing, and with this ringer and alerts will be enabled. So this is how you can turn on or off silent mode on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.